Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate fraud alerts with TransUnion on your credit file, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate fraud alerts with TransUnion on your credit file, start by visiting the TransUnion website. Navigate to the Credit Protection section. Look for the option labeled Fraud Alerts. Click on it to learn more about the service. You will see an option to place a fraud alert on your credit report. Select Place a Fraud Alert. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. This includes your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Fill in the required fields accurately. After entering your information, review the details for correctness. Click the Submit button to proceed. You may need to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided for identity verification. This could involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or phone. Once your identity is verified, you will receive a confirmation of your fraud alert. Keep this confirmation for your records. Your fraud alert will be active for a specified duration, usually 1 year. During this time, creditors will need to take extra steps to verify your identity before granting credit. You can also choose to extend or remove the alert when necessary. If you experience any issues, contact TransUnion customer support for assistance. Make sure to monitor your credit report regularly to keep track of any changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.